Hello children, welcome to our English class. Children, English is so interesting and such a wonderful language. While learning English, we are able to converse and make the correct use of various concepts in our daily conversation. Children, in today's class, we will learn about prepositions. Prepositions tell us the position. They are the helping words which tell us the position of the noun. In today's class, we will learn the use of in, on and under. In means inside a container or a place. Like my finger is inside the another finger. है ना? दूसरी फिंगर के अंदर है. Yes, in means inside. In means andar, inside. On means on a surface of something. On का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज के ऊपर होना. Under means below something. Under means below something, यानी किसी भी चीज के नीचे होना. Let me explain you with the help of example. Like, I have this bottle. Now, where is the cap? This cap is, where is this cap? This cap is on the bottle. So, where is the cap? Cap is on the bottle. Bottle के ऊपर है ना? तो it is telling us the position of the cap or the lid. The lid is on the bottle. Okay children, now let me explain you with the help of an example. Let us all read aloud. Now, in the first picture you can see there is a table and a book. But where is a book? Book कहाँ पर है? Book कहाँ पर है? Do we know the position? Yes, we all know the position. The book is on the table. Book कहाँ पर है? Table के ऊपर. So what preposition are we going to use? On. So it is telling us that the book is on the table. Now, can you see the preposition in red color? O-N. On. What preposition are we going to use? On. On means ऊपर, किसी भी चीज के ऊपर होना. Let's look at the another example. Now in the second picture you can see a baby. This baby is sitting where? Where? In the bed? On the bed or under the bed? Baby कहाँ पर है? It's on the bed. Bed के ऊपर है. Where is the baby? It's on the bed. So let's read the sentence. The baby is on the bed. The baby is on the bed. As children, you all can see the pictures. These pictures where you can see them screen पर. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? We all will say the picture is on the screen. The picture is on the screen. Now, let's learn about the use of in. In means inside. In means inside. किसी भी चीज के अंदर होना. Let's all learn and understand more with the help of another example. Now children, what you can see on the screen? A pink tub and a cat. But where is a cat? Cat is inside the tub. Tub के अंदर है. Where is the cat? Inside the tub. So we will say the sentence, the cat is in the tub. The cat is in the tub. Now, let's look at the next picture. There is a flower pot, and what is there inside a pot? Flowers, rose. So, let's make a sentence. The rose is in the vase. The rose is in the vase because rose is inside the vase, inside the flower pot. That means anything under or below the other thing. Like as in this picture, you can see there is a rat. Where is a rat? Rat is on the table? No. In the table? No. Table के नीचे है ना? So we will use the word the rat is under the table. The rat is under the table. Table के नीचे है. कौन है? कौन है? चूहा. Rat is under the table. Now look at the next picture. There is a bed and on the bed there is a sheet. Now children, tell me what is below the bed? Bed के नीचे क्या है? Shoes. So let's make a sentence. The shoes are under the bed. The shoes are under the bed. So now children, you have understood the use of on, in and under. Children, it's time for all of us to practice the sentences with the preposition in, on and under. So keep on practicing and I will see you in the next class. And it's time for me to say bye-bye.